Oi!
Welcome back to Life with Dem. It's the Demouchet family, and today we're cooking
Brazilian moqueca.
Yes, sir.
Now we are super excited about this dish.
Yes.
This country has some beautiful people. You guys sent in some recipes for us to try, so we are going to be doing this specific dish today. This one looks so good. Y'all know Jamaicans had us cooked on the coconut milk.
Woo.
And this recipe includes coconut milk and shrimp stock.
Not to mention, see, after we heard about the coconut milk being like a really good secret recipe, we overstocked. And I think the kids today, being in the video, are going to have an extreme time with having a taste test and all that. Plus all the fun we're going to have today in this video. And hey, we're just going to keep bringing in more recipes with you guys.
Yeah, so we have been learning some fun things about Brazil with the children.
Talk about it.
So what are some facts that you know? What's
yeah.
one fact that you know about Brazil?
They speak Portuguese.
Facts,
What's
100%.
one that you know?
They're the biggest country in South America.
Okay. Woo. One day we'll get there, but until then, we're gonna make Brazil come here.
Man, I'm excited.
And
I'm excited.
Alright, y'all, so we have prepared everything, so now we are about to cook. Okay? Preparing everything was the hard part. But who wants to do the shrimp? Okay, so hold on, wait. I know both of y'all want to do the okay, baby. I know all of y'all want to season the shrimp, but only one person can season the shrimp, okay?
Okay.
So y'all gotta do what is it called? Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Again, 2 times.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Ah.
Okay, well now y'all gotta do it the 3rd time.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Okay, now I have to help Dani. I have to help Dani with this, okay? Because Dani's gonna overseason. It's gonna be salty. Yes, it will. Hold your sister, baby.
More onions!
Dani was like, more. Celery, bell peppers, garlic, onion. I'm missing some green onion. The Holy Trinity. We cook all our meals with the Holy Trinity, okay? So that's a similarity, our first similarity of this one. And I'm putting in some fresh red pepper. The recipe that I'm following came off of, I forgot to say, and like the history behind it. The version that we are making it's an Afro-Brazilian recipe that we are using. They use some peppers that I couldn't find at the store, so I'm using some crushed red pepper. Okay. And I know y'all be using the organic this, the organic that, but if I already have it in my house, who wanna buy it again? Y'all know how high groceries are. Would you smell it? Oh, let me bring some. Would you smell it, Myrie? Smell it?
Yes, it looks like a Brazilian rainbow.
A Brazilian rainbow. See this pot? This pot actually came from South America, and it gets hot super fast.
So it's like the heat actually goes to the handles too.
It's not a non-stick burn. Ooh. Nigga, get you some smell. Get you some smell. You gotta do this.
Oh, that smells good.
Yes, it does.
Definitely.
You can put in shrimp stock.
Yes.
Yep, that's shrimp stock.
What will the salt do to
I
the
need to put it in
peppers?
now.
Add a little flavor. Just like this shrimp stock is full of flavor.
Nothing.
Flavor. It's okay, baby.
I don't hear anything now.
2, 1, go.
There we go. Get the lid, the Myrie. We're gonna let this cook.
What about the trap?
It goes in very last. And we're gonna let this cook for a little bit. Baby, you gotta keep in.
This looks like a fancy dish.
It smells good.
You fired.
You fired from the pot. Come stir fry. You can't put it all the way up close to your nose. Oh, you fired too. What are y'all doing?
Who wanna shake the coconut with me?
Me.
Get it done. You close to shake it.
Shake
Shake
it.
the palm oil, Myrie.
Come on, shake the palm
Shake the
oil.
palm oil.
It's called palm oil. You do this. There you go.
All right, so this is our very, very, very first time cooking with palm oil, eating anything that has palm oil in
Say
it.
that. Yeah, say that.
So this is gonna be interesting. Okay. I love the color
Yeah, the
of
color's fine.
the gravy that is.
Myrie, you want the soup one?
See, it was a little watery at first, but now it thickened up
thickened
with
up.
the potatoes and all. So it look.
And tomatoes. Add the rest of this. I have another bottle in our little store. And stir that around. Dani looking like, I hope that's not spicy. It is.
I mean,
I
it shouldn't
think
be.
it'll be fine.
It should complement it, you know?
Yeah. Myrie is left-handed.
The only baby in the house like that.
Sienna's both a little bit.
That every child is
Wait,
both
can I
until
actually taste one?
they start to get that dominant.
Oh, one of the.
Can I
I
taste
just saw
one?
one
You can
of
sniff
the.
it though.
I just saw one of the potatoes were
But
cut
actually
open.
say
Smell it. It smell like coconut.
I don't smell coconut.
You want to smell
Okay,
it?
it's in there.
I smell milk.
Nice for it, Dani. Go for it, Dani. Go for it, Dani. Go for it, Dani. Go.
It smells like
Palm oil.
Peanut.
some type of nut.
Let me
Like a
see.
peanut.
Yeah.
Or walnut.
Smell like whatever.
Yeah,
I actually tasted this before.
I'm trying to relate it to
It's-
something. You don't have to keep
It's
stirring
poke.
it. Let me smell.
It's cold. Like
Yeah, like-
it's very
It's distinct. I'm trying
distinctive. Yeah, that's the
to.
word
It
I was looking
reminds
for.
me of.
I smelled that before though.
Yeah,
It's just hard to say like what. It got like that, almost like you had a barbecue smell.
Yeah, like it reminds me like liquid smoke.
Put the shrimp in soon.
Okay.
Oh.
It's thick.
Look at
Try this one.
Oh, it's turning red now.
Oh yeah, you guys, we already got the rice made, so I was ahead of that. I'm ready to dive into this. I know this is gonna have a very, very different taste.
Yeah.
Woo!
The recipe said 4 tablespoons of palm oil. I'm really hoping I didn't put too much now.
Once this go in here, that's a wrap.
Yep.
I'll put the shrimp in.
You want to put the shrimp in? Bet.
When did the food then I'm gonna wash the bowl.
You're such a good helper, man. Appreciate that.
Yes.
All right, tip by tip. Ooh, drizzle, drizzle. Little drizzle, drizzle. A little drizzle, drizzle. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, that definitely need to go ahead and cook down. It's going to balance. That heat going to knock it all in there.
I'm waiting for the shrimp, mate.
He got a mustache from the palm oil.
Okay, I got me a spoonful.
Okay,
I want a big fry. Hold up.
I just have the gravy and the shrimp.
Potato and shrimp, and it's a
I
lot.
got rice and 2 tams.
To say it's not that many ingredients, it's a lot.
Okay, I
Think
got
about
me
the
a
bite.
spoonful.
Okay, come on. 1,
1,
2, 3.
Mmm.
Good. It's kind of spicy.
The stew is a little bit on the plainer side, like you taste the heat. It makes sense to why it's not that much, seasonings.
This is very balanced. This one is saying, hey, seconds, thirds. The flavor is really good. It's unique.
The shrimp stock and the coconut milk. Oh my God.
I don't taste any of the coconut milk in it.
I taste them.
It was blended together.
Ooh, hey, this flavor is steady.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Hey, it's Cadillac.
If you want to make food, subscribe and comment so we can make it all for your people.
What, you gonna ship it to them?
Mm-hmm.
I can't describe the palm oil.
What is in there? You can taste it.
Yeah, it adds something. I don't know what it is. I guess the palm oil with the coconut and of course the shrimp stock. It's good. All right, y'all. We hope you guys enjoyed this video.
A little early.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video with us. We'll see you soon.
Peace.
Peace.